Trubor nagaslem jong unongsan hima.
U James K. Sangma ubadi Menteri Hak Sorkar MDA baru u General Secretary ke NPP ulaong bagi nong song ke Mausenram constituency kilong shisha ke badan bang banyo yu ba Alvin K. Sau keme ke munong yalam namar ude ubri ubadan ke jingkit kli na kabantangi pat ba man badan jenge ki pat ba ala kalong haka boarding electric ni haka liang ka kot ka khia uba Alvin ujuan ban pensngau yaki jenge saka sorkar bakan chimkhia na kabantaka bed ka biang jong ki pat ba.
When I was power minister, the kind of problems and the challenges being faced by his people, all of you, that he brought to my notice, and today as health minister, the kind of problems and challenges that the people are facing in terms of health, the delivery and the infrastructure that is there in this area that he has brought to me. And really, I must say this and place this on record, that you all are very lucky to have him as a leader who really cares for the people, a leader who is so concerned about minute details, about many of the kind of development works which are there in the constituency and which need urgent attention and urgent care. And really, as I'm really proud as a leader, as a general secretary in the NPP, that we have such a bright, such a sincere and dedicated leader as an MDC of the NPP. Really, from the party side, I would like to say a very big thank you to Alvin, because for me, it is the youth that is going to take the state forward in the future. And it gives me so much of inspiration and encouragement to see the youth who will be taking up leadership in the future of our party, of the state, who are budding young legislators, MDCs. And really, for me, I just wanted to say this before I go on to talk about the memorandum, that it gives me great pride and it's a great encouragement and inspiration for us to see young leaders like him. And the future of not just Mawson Ram but the entire state is really very bright.